The Kulen Mountain range is located 30 kilometers northwards from Angkor Wat. Its name means Mountain of the Lychee. There is a sacred hilltop site on top of the range. Phnom Kulen is considered a holy mountain in Cambodia, of special religious significance to Hindus and Buddhists who come to the mountain in pilgrimage. It also has a major symbolic importance for Cambodians as the birthplace of the ancient Khmer Empire, for it was at Phnom Kulen that King Jayavarman II proclaimed independence from Java in 804 CE. Jayavarman II initiated the cult of the king, a linga cult, in what is dated as 804 CE and declaring his independence from Java, of whom the Khmer had been a vassalage state. Whether this is actually Java or Lava, a Lao kingdom, is debated, as well as the legend that he was earlier held as a ransom of the kingdom in Java. During the Angkorian era the relief was known as Mahendra Parvata, the mountain of Great Indra. The site is known for its carvings representing fertility and its waters, which hold special significance to Hindus. Just 5 centimeters under the water's surface, over 1,000 small carvings are etched into the sandstone riverbed. The waters are regarded as holy, given that Jayavarman II chose to bathe in the river, and had the river diverted so that the stone bed could be carved. Carvings include a stone representation of the Hindu god Vishnu laying on his serpent Ananta, with his wife Lakshmi at his feet. A lotus flower protrudes from his navel bearing the god Brahma. The river then ends with a waterfall and a pool. Near these mountains is Prangthom, a 16th-century Buddhist monastery notable for the giant reclining Buddha, the country's largest.